Have you ever looked at your chair, your phone, your table, and wondered, how do I say this in Arabic? Well, today you'll find out. Welcome to Arabic Listening Practice, where we take everyday objects and turn them into powerful vocabulary you can use right away. You'll hear clear Arabic with full pronunciation, you'll repeat, learn, and remember. And by the end of this video, you'll be thinking in Arabic without even realizing it. Let's begin.
Let's start right where you are, at home. You see these things every day. Now let's learn how to say them in Arabic.
هذا بيت.
This is a house. Can you try that? هذا بيت. This is a house.
هذا باب.
This is a door. One more time.
هذا باب.
Nice. Let's keep going.
هذه نافذة.
This is a window. Listen carefully. هذه is used for feminine words like نافذة, a window.
هذا جدار.
This is a wall. Can you feel the words starting to stick? Let's add more.
هذا سرير.
This is a bed.
هذا كرسي.
This is a chair. These are must-know words. Let's review what we've got so far. House, bait, door, bob, window, nafida, wall, jidar, bed, sarir, chair, kursi. Repeat any section as much as you need. Repetition builds fluency. Let's add a few more.
هذه طاولة.
This is a table.
هذه سجادة.
This is a carpet. Did you catch that? A carpet equals sajada. A table equals tawila. We're still just getting started, and already you're building a real Arabic vocabulary. Ready to head to the kitchen? Let's go.
Now let's head into the kitchen, where food, family, and fun come together. Let's name some everyday kitchen items in Arabic. هذا مطبخ. This is a kitchen. هذه ملعقة. This is a spoon. هذه شوكة. This is a fork. هذا سكين. This is a knife.
Nice and simple. Spoon, ملعقة. Fork, شوكة. Knife, سكين.
هذا صحن. This is a plate. هذا كأس. This is a glass. هذا إناء. This is a pot.
You're doing great. Let's add two more.
هذه زجاجة زيت. This is a bottle of oil. Breakdown: زجاجة means bottle, زيت means oil. هذه ثلاجة. This is a refrigerator.
Let's review. Kitchen, مطبخ. Spoon, ملعقة. Fork, شوكة. Knife, سكين. Plate, صحن. Glass, كأس. Pot, إناء. Fridge, ثلاجة. Oil bottle, زجاجة زيت.
Now let's move to the bathroom.
Part 3. In the bathroom. Approx 3 minutes. Now let's step into the bathroom. Simple items, but very important vocabulary.
هذا حمام. This is a bathroom. هذه مرآة. This is a mirror. هذا مغسلة. This is a sink. هذه فرشاة أسنان. This is a toothbrush. Breakdown: فرشة means brush, أسنان means teeth. هذا معجون أسنان. This is toothpaste. Breakdown: معجون means paste. أسنان means teeth. هذه منشفة. This is a towel. هذا douche. This is a shower. هذا مرحاض. This is a toilet.
Let's quickly recap. Bathroom, hammam. Mirror, mir'ah. Sink, mixala. Toothbrush, فرشاة أسنان. Toothpaste, معجون أسنان. Towel, منشفة. Shower, douche. Toilet, mirhad. Now, let's relax in the living room.
The living room, where we relax, watch TV, and spend time with family.
هذه غرفة الجلوس.
This is the living room. Breakdown. غرفة, room. جلوس, sitting. Room of sitting.
هذا كنب.
This is a sofa.
هذه وسادة.
This is a pillow.
هذه ساعة.
This is a clock.
هذا تلفاز.
This is a television.
هذه سجادة.
This is a carpet.
هذا مصباح.
This is a lamp.
هذه صورة.
This is a picture or painting.
هذه ستارة.
This is a curtain. Let's review.
Living room, غرفة الجلوس. Sofa, قنبة. Pillow, وسادة. Clock, ساعة. TV, تلفاز. Carpet, سجادة. Lamp, مصباح. Picture, صورة. Curtain, ستارة. You're doing amazing so far. Let's go to the final part, your favorite gadgets. From phones to laptops, devices are part of daily life. Let's learn how to say them in Arabic. هذا هاتف. This is a phone. هذا حاسوب. This is a computer. هذا حاسوب محمول. This is a laptop. Breakdown. محمول means portable. هذه ساعة ذكية. This is a smartwatch. Breakdown. ذكية means smart. هذا جهاز تحكم. This is a remote control. Breakdown. جهاز means device. تحكم means control.
Great job! You made it to the end. You've just learned dozens of everyday Arabic words from your home, kitchen, and bathroom to clothes and more. The more you listen, repeat, and use these words, the faster your Arabic will improve. Now, don't stop here. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe if you want more Arabic listening practice every week. And comment below. Tell us which Arabic word you liked the most today.